Hi! In front of me is our Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme. Begin by going into Themes app and selecting Themes section at the top left corner. Now you can click on the search bar, type in wherever you want to, select one of those themes, or click on one of those categories, like free. Then tap on the best theme for you. I will go with this one and hit download. Now select apply, tap on discard or keep in magazine unlock pop-up, and when you're ready, tap on home button. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, you need to access the same settings. So themes and main themes app screen actually. From there, choose me at the bottom left corner. Hit one of those themes and select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!